Hello everybody and welcome back to CapCut tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to add music to your videos in CapCut. So let's start off by selecting a video, and once you do that, click on add, and here we have this option to add audio right below our video. Click on add audio, and here as you can see we have sounds. Click on sounds. You can select the music from your local storage or the library provided by CapCut. I'm going to be selecting a music from my local storage. You also have this great feature to extract a sound from a video as well, so you can use that too. I'm going to be using a song that I extracted. I can click on that and click on this plus icon. Your music is added onto your video. You can adjust its volume by simply selecting your music and clicking on volume and adjusting the slider. So that's a pretty simple process on how to add music to your videos in CapCut. I really hope you liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.